Alrighty, handheld. I'm not using a tripod, so it's all jerky. But aren't they lovely? Oh, that's it. Move out of, go and hide just as soon as I start filming. That's clever, isn't it? There you are. I don't know if the video comes out as red as it does in the viewfinder, but it's lovely in red. That is an Australian King Parrot, and it's eating Chinese pistache. You've got a long neck, haven't you? I should have brought my tripod. Lovely clear eye. They've been eating pomegranates as well. Oh, they drill a hole in the side of the pomegranate. He knows I'm here, doesn't he? And so drill a hole in the side of the pomegranate and then get all the seeds out. I think they've been eating our figs as well. All the fruit-eating birds have been eating our figs. What else do they eat? They eat privet berries, these parrots. They eat green almonds. They eat the almonds while they're green and tender. They eat wattle seeds. Oh, they eat fruit, of course, like plums. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It's a lovely bird, isn't it? It's gorgeous. I've seen YouTube videos where people have put birdseed all over their verandas and fruits and things, and they've got dozens of them on their veranda. They're quite an intelligent bird, I think. Sometimes they're watching us. They're sitting up above us and we don't know that they're there. And they're watching us. Hello, my beauty.